Greetings, Guan, Jamaica. My name is Michael Ian Weeder. I am Dean of St. George's Anglican Cathedral in the city of Cape Town, South Africa. I love many things about Jamaica, partly because we share a common place of origin, our motherland, Africa. I love your music in all its diversity, from the jazz of Monty Alexander and to deep ska, and of course Tosh and also Bob Marley. Your calypso style of cricket, which, because of where you stood with us in the struggle against apartheid, you still have my affection. But most of all, I love all Jamaican people, regardless of who they are and who they love. So, love up, Jamaica.